I want to thank Senator both Salazar and Kruger for moving this quickly through their committees, as well as Assemblymember Joyner, who just passed it in the Assembly a little bit earlier today. This bill would create the Maternal Mortality Review Board, as well as an advisory council. The fact is that in the state of New York, out of 50 states in the nation, unfortunately and sadly, New York is number 30. There are way too many women that are dying right after birth from complications that happen after birth. And we need to make sure that we have more information about this issue. It is even more tragic that it is women of color, particularly black women, that are struck by this. We need to make sure that we have information, that we figure out exactly what is going on so that we can have better practices at medical facilities all across the state. And so we want to make sure that when we're talking about maternal deaths or maternal morbidity, that we address it. So this is the reason why this bill has been pushed forward. And we want to make sure that new mothers are provided the necessary level of health care, not only to give birth safely, but to prevent them from developing life-threatening complications after birth. I'm glad that we've been able to move this piece of legislation. I'm glad for all the support from my colleagues, and hopefully the Senate, after we move it in the Senate and the Assembly, the governor would sign it into law. Thank you so much, Mr. President.